How to fix low call volume on iPhone. Let's get started. Solution 1. Increase call volume. During a call, use the volume up button on the side of your iPhone to increase the call volume, or else you can open your control center and use the slider to increase the volume. Set it to fullest. Ensure it's not muted or set too low. Solution 2. Disable Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. When you are in the control center, press and hold on the focus option. Make sure you have one enabled for any of these options, as it may limit audio alerts and system functions. Solution 3. Turn off Bluetooth. Your iPhone might be connected to a Bluetooth device that's redirecting audio output, so make sure you have disabled for the option of Bluetooth. Solution 4. Disable noise cancellation. Launch your Settings app, navigate to the option of Accessibility. Now head over to the option Audio and Visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation if it's causing issues with audio clarity. Next up, head back. Now open the option Touch. Head towards the option Call Audio Routing. Click on it. Set it to Automatic. Solution 5. Update your iPhone. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of General. Click on Software Update. If you find any available updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. This will ensure compatibility and fix potential bugs. If none of these solutions work, the issue could be hardware related. Visit an Apple store or authorized repair center for professional assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and enjoy clearer call volume on your iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.